She saw me. She's staring at me.
Yeah.
Overprotective in my face sister who wouldn't let me play a stepman because she thought she made bad choices. I need her. I'm not so sure you do. I mean, you said yourself. What do?
He's trying to steal your cheese.
I think that you should tell me what to do. No, I'm serious. How will you really know when you're ready to be listened to? Does that mean to come to you and ask you for it? Yes! Yay! Can I ask you something?
That's just teasing.
I keep laughing and the camera keeps moving.
Just promise me one thing.
That's gonna make it worse.
No matter what decision you make about Ben, don't do it or not do it because you're afraid that somewhere down the line it won't work out.